Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, 51 major upgrades will be seen in Super Sukhoi program. The Indian Air Force is embarking on a significant modernization journey with its Super Sukhoi program. This initiative aims to upgrade 84 Sukhoi 30 Mk1 aircraft, providing them with cutting-edge capabilities and enhancing their performance. While the program includes some components from Russia, the majority of upgrades are being developed indigenously, reinforcing India's commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. Next, Archer NG armed drone prototype rollout expected soon. India's ambitious project to develop the Archer NG, a weaponized medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV, is gaining momentum with the rollout of the prototype expected by the end of coming month. The Archer NG is a significant development in India's drone capabilities and is set to play a crucial role in intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, target acquisition, tracking, and strike missions. Next, developing low-cost CIWS system to safeguard air bases and to counter evolving threats. IAF has taken a protective step to enhance its defense capabilities by deciding to fund and develop low-cost close-in weapon system, that is CIWS. These systems are designed to safeguard against emerging low-cost aerial threats such as loitering ammunition and subsonic cruise missile. The move comes as the threat landscape is rapidly evolving, necessitating innovative solutions to protect key air bases and facilities. Next, Indian military supplies are impacted due to Israel-Hamas conflict. The ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas, while undoubtedly concerning, is unlikely to have an immediate impact on India's military hardware and spare parts supplies. Several government officials have emphasized that any potential impact would only arise if the conflict escalates into a long-drawn war. Next, India raises concern over Chinese vessel in Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan President Ranil is reportedly considering India's request to prevent the Chinese survey and research vessel CIWS from conducting joint military scientific research with Sri Lanka's National Aquatic Resources Research and Development Agency, NARA, in Sri Lanka's exclusive economic zone EEZ in late October and November. Next, lot of lessons for India of Hamas strike on Israel. The recent Hamas strike on Israel has raised important lessons for India, particularly in the context of dealing with surprises and deception tactics by adversaries. Lieutenant General P.R. Shankar, a former DG Artillery with extensive operational experience, emphasizes the need for enhanced vigilance and contingency measures in various security aspects. Next, Indian Army wins gold medal in Cambrian Patrol 2023 military exercise in UK. The Indian Army won a gold medal in Wales, UK. A team from 3x5 Gorkha Rifles Front Force represented the Indian Army at a prestigious Cambrian Patrol exercise in Wales, UK, and Army said the Indian Army team participated in the event and competed against a total of 111 teams, which included 38 international teams representing special forces. Next, G20 parliamentary speakers pledge to combat terror. The speakers of parliament of G20 countries on Friday pledged to utilize their legislative budgetary and oversight functions to play their part in combating terrorism and violent extremism. In a joint statement adopted at the Parliament 20 summit here, they also condemned terrorism in all forms of manifestations, including those on the basis of xenophobia, racism, and other forms of intolerance, or in the name of religion or belief. Next. Safran committed to collaborate on new fighter engine for AMCA. French Aerospace joined Safran Aircraft Engines, a key player in the global aviation industry, welcomed Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to its Gennevilliers facility, where pivotal components of the M88 engine, which powers the Dassault Rafale, are manufactured. During the visits, Safran reiterated its commitment to partnering with India on the development of a cutting-edge fighter engine for India's fifth-generation AMCA program. Next. First ever BSNL BTS on world's highest battlefield, Siachen Glacier, is established by Army. The Indian Army is in collaboration with the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited on Thursday established the first ever BSNL base transceiver station on the world's highest battlefield, Siachen Glacier. Thank you.